Hi Anna, I am in Venice, Italy with my family. Today we went on a ride in a gondola. It is an excellent way to see this beautiful city. The tour sets off from Campo Santa Maria del Giglio and heads through San Marco and Castello. The friendly gondoliers sing traditional Italian songs as you travel up and down the canals and pass by old buildings. It is an experience of a lifetime. Talk to you soon, Demira.
Hi Gail. Greetings from Koh Nagai, Thailand. It's quite warm here. Today we're going sightseeing in a longtail boat. The locals use these banana-shaped boats to travel around the island. It's more convenient than taking a bus, and you have the chance to see more things. I can't wait. Bye for now, Seoul.
Hi Adam, I arrived in China 2 days ago and I'm having a brilliant time. I got in a rickshaw and went on a tour of Beijing streets. You can actually ask the driver to stop anywhere you like if you want to take a look around. Prices are not too high as well. You should try it if you ever go to China. See you soon. Miraz.